Isn't that a great step towards reconciliation? Ladies and gentlemen, here I must make a special mention of the person who is behind all this. Mrs. Sanoja Veerasinghe is a veteran artist in Sri Lanka. She's an actress and has multitude of talents and has committed her life towards rehabilitation of ex-combatants and giving them the softer side of life. Through her Abhina Academy of Performing Arts, she has been able to bring about a transformation which is beyond comparison. Once again, now that he asked for one more, why not? But we will have something different this time. A few years ago, one day, after rehabilitation, some rehabilitees were released in a big ceremony. And this took part in Vavuniya. And the commander of the army, Lieutenant General Jagat Jayasuriya, was the chief guest at this ceremony in Vavuniya. In that, one of the beneficiaries was invited to sing a song. He sang a popular song, Hantaneyata Payana Sanda. All those from Sri Lanka would know when I say this, the name of the song. Mesmerizing the thousands who were present that day, this ex-combatant sang the song Hantaneyata Payana Sanda. Thousands of soldiers, army officers and soldiers were also there, and they were all impressed. And at the end of the venue, at the end of the song, the whole venue exploded, but this time it was in applause. After that, the commander of the army handed the first fee to this young man for his performance, thereby bringing him into the professional field of performing arts. The singer who mesmerized the audience that day was Shantalingam Kokulan. Shantalingam Kokulan. Kokulan was born in 1987 and studied up to advanced level at Mankulam Mahavidyalaya. And when he was preparing for the final exam of advanced level, the terrorists conscripted him into LTT. After basic training as a militant, he had a brief stint in the LTT political division before surrendering to the army in 2009. Having undergone rehabilitation in Vavuniya, he studied drama and performing arts under veteran actress Anoja Veerasinghe and played the leading role in a popular film, Selvam. This popular actor and singer is a household name in Sri Lanka today. And he has also formed a own band. And this morning when I met Mrs. Veerasinghe, she had this to say, let me quote. Tears came to my eyes on the first day he received payment from the commander. Not only commander, the Navy commander and many other leading figures in the country are Kokulan's fans now. He has a long way to go and a bright future awaiting. Sri Lanka Army can be very proud of the rehabilitation, reintegration and reconciliation work done by them. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shantalingam Kokulan. The young man who provided music is also an ex-combatant who is undergoing rehabilitation right now at Senapura Rehabilitation Center. Is the moon in Hantana as beautiful as it should be? That is the meaning of the song. Of course, there was much more.